Hello, this is Jamie from the Red Bank Public Library. Welcome to Power Play. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own little card from Alice in Wonderland, and he's painting the white roses red because they accidentally grew in white and the queen wanted them red, so he's trying to cover up his mistake. So, I'm going to show you how you can make your own. We have a kit here at the Red Bank Public Library that you can pick up from our porch. There are symbols on the right corner of each kit. This symbol indicates the suit of the card that's inside the kit. So you may get clubs, spades, diamonds, or hearts. Inside the kit there'll be a playing card, a head and nose, roses, a pipe cleaner, a heart-shaped shrub, brown paper, as well as red and black paper, depending on which card you get. Then you'll also get paper shaped either like a spade, club, or diamond, or heart. Other supplies you'll need are markers, glue, scissors, and tape. First, we'll begin by making our little card guard. Let's start with the easiest thing first. Glue the pink oval on the top of the circle. And then we'll use a marker to draw a smile. And see, right there we made a face for our card. You might be wondering why we didn't add eyes. It's because their eyes usually hide under their hoods. But you could draw eyes on them if you want. Now, we're going to work on the collar. Use the black or red square to make a collar for the card. We're going to be folding the paper in the middle and place it on top of the card. On the front side, you could cut a shape that looks like the top of the heart, and that will create the collar. But before you glue it on, there is something you need to do first. You need to tape the pipe cleaner to the back of the card to make the arms. Try and make sure that it's even on both sides before attaching. If you feel that the arms are too long, you can always use your scissors to trim them. After you do that, you can glue the collar on the top of the card, and this will cover up the pipe cleaner. Then, you're going to look through the kit and find the shape that matches the suit on your card. So again, that's either spades, clubs, diamonds, or hearts. Then you'll glue that shape to the card. And it should go right in the middle of the collar. My shape is spades, which is the suit on my playing card. Then glue the head on top of your shape. We're almost done with our card. There's just one more part left. We just need to create the feet. There'll be a long rectangle in your kit that is either black or red. Fold it over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then open it up and then put one side over the other. It should make a triangle shape. Then you can tape or glue the sides together. Then you can use this long triangle shape to cut out feet. Make sure each foot is about the same size. Then at the top of the foot, towards the middle, use your scissors to cut a small slit. Then do the same for the other foot. You're going to use these slits to slide the bottom of the card in. Now you have a card guard that can stand on his own 2 feet. And if you want, you could cut out a small piece of brown paper to create a small paintbrush. For the part of the brush, I colored it red so it looks like it had paint on it, and then I cut fringe at the tip. Then I colored the bottom a darker brown. And there we go! Let's put the paintbrush in his hand. Now we need something to paint. We gotta create the shrub. Now we need to create the shrub. We're going to have to make the stand first. Remember how we made the feet of the card? We're going to use the same method. Take the bigger brown triangle and fold it 3 times. Open it up and have the sides meet until it makes a triangle, and then tape or glue the sides. Now we're going to make the pole by rolling up the smaller piece of brown paper and tape it shut. And then we could tape the pole to the stand that we made. For the roses, we're going to use our markers or crayons to color them. For mine, I colored in 2, then I colored 1 halfway, and then left 2 uncolored, so it looks like he's in the middle of the process of painting. Cut them out and glue it to the green heart, which will be the shrub the roses are growing out of. Then attach the green heart to the pole. Then you're done! You just created the Paintin' the Roses Red scene from Alice in Wonderland. Thank you for joining us for Power Play. We'll see you again next time. Bye!